right, y'all, just found the parking. We are in Chinatown. See what we found. Oh, there may be a line. I see my man with a pineapple bun already. All right, because all right, y'all, we actually got a kiosk, so we ain't gonna see nothing. We definitely ain't grabbing one of them bad boys. All right, y'all, we was gonna try the red bean, but we not trying to pack a fork. Ooh, and this is where the magic happens, y'all. Ooh, we out of here. All right, y'all. Okay, my love. Ooh, there we go. Nice and steaming. Hey, let's go. Pineapple.
Trust me, agreed. I would normally not.
Oh.
You want the beef?
It's 10 cents right there.